Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my Affiliate Marketing Academy video review. Affiliate beginning. Build a $10,000 per month affiliate website in 30 days. What you get: 30-day comprehensive action plan by May Sapphire, $97 value. 30 days of private coaching from May Sapphire, valued at $497. Bonuses: exclusive traffic training on 3 free traffic sources, valued at $497. Exclusive WordPress theme for affiliates, $197 value. Exclusive WordPress cloud hosting discount, $50 value. Exclusive marketing template collection, $197 value. 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Who is this for? Absolute beginners with no prior experience. Marketers without an email list, existing traffic streams, social media following, products, or an audience. Why focus on email lists? Email lists are a reliable, owned asset. Immediate monetization: send an email to generate sales. Course breakdown: Week 1-4, buying a domain, signing up for hosting and an autoresponder. Installing WordPress, themes, and plugins, creating and adding content. Setting up email forms and autoresponder messages. Additional lessons: choosing a niche and affiliate products. Best affiliate networks, step-by-step video tutorials for each process. Traffic strategies: free traffic strategy #1 new site, 0 to 12,000 visitors/month in 4 weeks. New site, 0 to 70,000 visitors/month in 4 months. New site, 0 to 285,000 visitors/month in a year. Free traffic strategy #2 new site, $2,580 in 3 days. New site, 0 to 35,000 visitors, $17,000 in 4 weeks. New site, 0 to 100,000 visitors/month in a year. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.